most people out there familiar with the term the Big Five when talking about the historic massive events that have wiped out at least 50% or more of the life on Earth as we know it at that time. So, during these, you're talking anywhere from 50 to 95% of all species on the planet being wiped out. And although there's been the more famous five events, they're now saying that they have a lot of evidence pointing to an event 260 million years ago that was along the same lines. It was a catastrophic die-off that coincided with the onset of volcanism. They're saying that this may have well took place in southern China. All the evidence is suggesting that when they go back and look in different places, that they're seeing in this Permian period, there was an event that eliminated at least 56% of the land species and about 58% of all marine invertebrate species. Then when they went to Africa and analyzed specimens collected there, they discovered that 74 to 80% of all land vertebrae apparently died about 260 million years ago. It's pretty interesting. So they go on to talk about their theory of volcanism, but they have no hard evidence. They just know that there's a die-off. It's not like they see this massive ash plume that they're finding, anything of that nature. They're just saying that that may be, venting from that may be one of the things that did this. But another one popping up on the radar here, and I think it's interesting to note because, history repeats itself. If you don't learn from the mistakes of the past, or if you're at least not aware of those things, they could come creeping back up, and if you're not prepared, it could happen once again. And some of these events, they say, don't happen just in the blink of an eye. They happen over a small period of time. So I'll leave a link so you guys can read the rest of the details connected with this, but thought it was pretty interesting here. They're talking about a sixth big die-off here, another one added to the Big Five. It's been Dabu7. Peace.